Imran Khan was one of the sharpest cricket brains of that particular era.
Imran Khan was a great cricketer. I mean, in every facet of the game.
People of my generation grew up watching Imran Khan.
A fighter who fought till the last ball, a hard-working guy.
Good shot. That's his 50. And that may get to the boundary too. Lightning outfield. 88 balls for his 50. 4 fours. 1 6.
He was also, a true all-rounder.
He became a really fearsome fast bowler for a while.
And that's taken. Jeffrey Marsh getting the edge to the in-swinger. So Pakistan, just when they needed wickets, have picked them up. One to the leggy, and now one to the skipper.
What about his batting? He could get centuries and win games for Pakistan.
Who could bat anywhere, in any position.
And about his inspiring captaincy.
He brought all the disparate factions together, which is no easy task in Pakistan.
And obviously that wonderful night in Melbourne in 1992 when he led them to the World Cup.
And leading that group of men to a World Cup was his destiny.
That's up in the air, he's getting under it, this could be victory, it is! Pakistan win the World Cup, a magnificent performance in front of 87,000 people. Imran Khan has led his side to victory, what a great victory!
And they're loving every moment of this. Imran Khan, his 5th World Cup, his 5th attempt to win the trophy, and he's finally done it.
Everybody who's led Pakistan subsequently is compared to him because he was such a great leader.
It didn't matter which country you were from. I think Imran Khan had that magnetism, that attraction for all fans across the globe.
Charisma, panache, style, that was everything that I saw in Imran Khan. He was a very fashionable player and he was very suave.
He was like the master of that cricket field and he walked onto it.
I think where I am in my life right now as a bowler, as a commentator, as a cricketer, as a human being, that's because of him.
I speak to a lot of the Pakistani cricketers and they hold Imran in absolute awe. He could do amazing things on his own, but more importantly as captain, who could inspire and motivate others to do great things.